All right, guys, so this is a problem that I've set up for volume of a rectangular prism, but what happens if they give you the volume and they're asking you to find that dimension? So what I drew over here, it's a fish tank, I don't know, something rectangular prism. They've given me a volume of 84 meters cubed. They've given me a length of 4 meters. I have an unknown height, and then I have a length of 6 meters. So I'm going to write down my formula of volume equals length times width times height. And now I'm just going to plug in the numbers I know. I know 84 is my volume equals my length is 6 times my width is 4 times my unknown h. I know how to solve this because I'm simplifying my whole number. 6 times 4 is 24h. Now I know that it's 24 times h, so I have to divide by 24. And that will eventually give me how high, or what's the height of my rectangular prism. And in this case, when I divide 24 into 84, I did the math again, it is 3.5, and again, I need that measurement of meters. All right, so let's try another example just like this, again, where they've given us the volume, but we are missing a dimension. So I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm just gonna use the same rectangular prism for sake of time and you watching me draw. So let me give you the new measurements. So let's say they give me a volume of 960, my marker is dying, centimeters cubed. This time they're not going to give me that width. They're going to ask me to find the width, but they give me a height of 8 centimeters and they give me a length of 20 centimeters. So same formula, volume equals length times width times height. So I would get 960 equals 20 times W times 8. Since it's a commutative, I'm just going to multiply these two numbers. So I'm going to get 960 equals 160 W. Divide by 160. Since it's a multiplication problem, and I find out my width in this case is 6. I already did the math. And then I have my measurement of centimeters. Now some of you are saying, well, Mrs. Deek, at the beginning you gave us that other one of volume equals base times height. And if you can figure this one out and already figure out what is the base of this one would be hard. You can use that formula. I'd like to expand it for you guys just to make it simple at the beginning. But if you know how to figure out the base of the rectangular prism, the rectangle, and then just multiply it by the height, then you can go ahead and do that too. All right, happy trying.